Can laws treat groups differently? Have you ever wondered if laws can treat different groups of people in unique ways? This question dives into the heart of equal protection under the law, a vital concept in the United States Constitution. Specifically, the 14th Amendment outlines that every person deserves equal protection from the laws. But what does this really mean for how laws can function? The Equal Protection Clause is essential. It requires that states treat individuals equally. However, it also allows for different treatment if there is a valid reason for it. This means that laws can treat groups differently, but only under certain conditions. To understand this better, we need to look at the levels of scrutiny established by the Supreme Court. The first is rational basis review. This is the lowest level of scrutiny. Here, the law must be related to a legitimate government interest. For example, if a law aims to promote public health, it may treat different groups differently if it can show a rational connection to that goal. Next is intermediate scrutiny. This applies to cases involving quasi-suspect classifications, like gender. Under this level, the law must serve an important government interest and be substantially related to that interest. For instance, laws that address gender discrimination in the workplace must meet this standard. The highest level is strict scrutiny. This is used for suspect classifications, such as race or national origin. Laws under this level must serve a compelling government interest and be narrowly tailored to achieve that goal. An example of this is voting rights. Laws that restrict voting must pass this strict scrutiny test, ensuring they are justified and necessary. From a Republican viewpoint, equal protection is a safeguard against government overreach. Republicans often advocate for limited government intervention. They believe that laws should treat individuals equally unless there is a strong reason to do otherwise. This aligns with the strict scrutiny standard for suspect classifications. In the context of limited government principles, Republicans argue that laws should protect individual rights while minimizing unnecessary distinctions between groups. This approach highlights the importance of fairness and equal treatment under the law. It also respects the need for laws to address specific societal needs or challenges. So, can laws treat groups differently? Yes, but only if there is a solid justification. The principle of equal protection ensures that any such treatment must be carefully examined and justified. This balance between individual liberty and the role of government is at the core of our legal system.